Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with Sportline, and the wrap game has changed. PPF, paint protection film, we talk about it all the time. Most of you might have it on your Teslas, and that vinyl color change wrap film have come together. Take a look at this brand new product from stek. Stek has taken PPF and color change and put it together. Here we have our first ever Miami blue paint protection film, color change, all in one. How cool is that? You get double the coverage. You get to change the color of your car, but most importantly, protect the paint underneath from road rash and rock chips and door dings, thanks to what stek has done. So now you don't need to decide whether you'd like to go ahead and just protect the paint and stay with the color that your car came in from Tesla, or do you want to do a color change? But the vinyl film, as we've spoken about before, isn't really true paint protection film. Yes, it does protect your paint a little bit, but it's not designed for that. It's designed for a color change. And PPF is designed to protect your paint, and you're really limited. Maintaining the color of your Tesla with clear film, or making it kind of satin or stealth with film that changes that, but it still restricts you and keeps you at your color. Not anymore. This is really exciting, and as you can see, we have wrapped the complete exterior body panels using this film, and I absolutely love it. I'm really not a blue car kind of guy, but I am in love with this Miami blue color. I absolutely love it, and I think, you know, not all colors work on all sizes of cars. This really works on this brand new 2023 Model X. And as you can see, we've changed the wrap game thanks to our friends at stek. Now, we couldn't stop there. This customer loves Sportline and also loves our wheels, and that is our #1 product. So we went ahead and removed the 22-inch wheels that came with this performance Model X, and we kept the tires, we kept the mounting hardware, everything that it came with, the TPMS sensors. We just installed our 22-inch satin gray TSV wheels. Normally, we're always seeing black wheels, right? Because it matches the trim. But there is something very special about our satin gray finish and how it looks with this Miami blue color. I'd love to hear some comments below if you would have preferred seeing satin black wheels to match the black trim, or what do you think about this satin gray? Personally, I think this was a home run. I also wish the customer would have painted his calipers in Miami blue, and I think he's thinking about it, so hopefully we get that done as a final touch. But for now, it's a wrap. This Model X is done. It's got a color change. It's got paint protection to protect the paint up underneath. It's got a new set of wheels. She's ready to hit the streets in LA. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. So many more amazing videos coming your way soon.